It's a misty, wintry day, and we're going to go inside and check out this beautiful home in the suburbs of Atlanta. It is on the market for slightly over $1 million. There are three bedrooms upstairs, one on the main, and another in the terrace level, along with the hair salon, media room, and a spare kitchen are in that area. But look at this wonderful front yard, great porch to just sit out and enjoy some sweet tea or sweet lemonade. Here we go. Going inside, you're greeted with a wonderful staircase. You know, I like to call these the Gone with the Wind staircases because they're just so regs. So you got a great mirror there. And this is your entrance. Beautiful. And on the side, as you come in the front door, is this office space. It could be modified to be a bedroom, but it is currently being used as an office. This could also be the front sitting area. So let's go on and see the rest of this beautiful house. On this side, we've got a bedroom on the main level. Has beautiful smooth skin or smooth ceiling, hardwood floors. This door right in front of me leads to the terrace level. I'll just go ahead and open it here so that you can see that there is a terrace level going down. And of course, the powder room is there. Now that is the beverage center. You could also use that as a butler's pantry to begin the food service. But it's opened up to such a wonderful, beautiful floor plan. Look at this. You've got your stacked stone, actually that's a brick fireplace hearth with the shadow boxes on the ceiling, hardwood floors, beautiful, beautiful area. You've got your coffee station there. Accent wall. We've got the can lights that open up this beautiful kitchen over an island. Isn't that fantastic? Look at how beautiful this kitchen is. Great hood range over the 6-burner stove with waffle section. And you get to overlook the backyard there. It is resort style living at its finest. So let's go and see what else is going on over there. Going right past that beverage center into this lovely, lovely sunroom area, oversized sunroom. Getting ready to move there. Oversized sunroom and beautiful, beautiful ceilings. Again, this house is just over $1 million in the suburbs of Atlanta. Take that all in. Your fireplace and the back stairs. Want to see the resort style living in the backyard? Let's check it out. There you've got a space for your cooking, your gazebo for sitting, your pool and playground. It's all here for you. Okay, there you are. Let's check out what's going on upstairs. I'm coming up the back staircase into this guest room. Actually, it's not a guest room. Well, it could be a guest room. It could be whatever kind of room you'd like it to be. But this is the child's room. And you can see there's lots of lovely toys and a bookcase. It's a different shape. You could use this for a sitting room or a recreation room, but it is the staircase, the back staircase that I came from. And there's the door leading to the hall. And right here, we enter the bedroom. It's got a whimsical and wonderful secret kind of feeling, but it's a whole bedroom. There's a window, and this leads to the bathroom. Now look at how cute those sinks are. They're actually precious. There's a window there and the shower area, which is also cute. Towels. And this little window where you can actually sit and peek out. There's the window seat. Now, let's go and see the other bedrooms. I'm going to go down this hallway. And it's a hardwood floor. We have another space for a little girl. Hardwood floors are here. You can peek out and see the front yard, which is a beautiful front yard. And we go across the hall. Basically, it's a girl's palace. Hardwood floors throughout. And a bedroom with a bathroom. And again, you get to see the backyard. Come through. Double vanity. And a catwalk to the owner's suite. But don't miss, there's another window seat and the opportunity to look out onto the front yard. Here we are in the owner's suite. Hardwood floors again. And you have those beautiful, beautiful windows so that waking up in the morning is light, it's airy, and wonderful. The bath. Shower. And closet. Now this home does have an incredible, and I do mean incredible, basement or terrace level with theater, media area, ample space, and even space for a boat. It's an incredible home. Let's talk about getting you in it.